So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a background behind text here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do obviously is add some text into your design. So to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen, press on the text tab right here, then press on add a heading. Now what I'm going to do here is actually make this text a little bit larger and more centered so it's easier for you guys to see. Now if you wanted to add a background behind the text, it's actually pretty straightforward as well. Simply put, just press on the text you're hoping to add a background to. Open up this top bar right here, and this option right here is what you want. You want this A with the box around it right beside the font size and the fill button. So where it says background color, press on that. Then if we were to go ahead and press a color, so let's just say we're going to press blue for demonstration purposes, it's now going to add a blue background behind the text here in Design Wizard. So if I wanted to go ahead and change it, I'll just type in font. There you go. You can sort of play around with it whatever which way you want. You can go ahead and it'll hopefully adjust it on the fly like it just did, and there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add a background to text here, or I guess behind text here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.